So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create an audio visualizer for music or a podcast directly inside Filmora. So as you can see right here, I've got my audio on my timeline and I've also just got a little picture. Now you can add a video background or you can choose to have a photo background, and this can be relevant to your podcast and have your own branding on and things like this. But the general idea to get a audio visualizer is to get this on your timeline. Once you are ready for the visualizer, you can select the audio and then you want to go to the top, click on effects, and then go to the left hand side bar here, scroll down. You want to select audio effects and then you want to go down to music visualizer. Once we click on this, there is many different ones to choose from. One of my personal favorites is this one right here. So what we need to do is click and drag this onto our timeline, and then this will sync directly to your audio, which you have on your timeline. And then what you want to do is you want to drag this all the way out to the end. If we double click on this, you can then resize this by going to radius, and then you can put this out a little bit, and then you can have it coming out of this record right here, for example, or this could be a picture of you, this could be your logo, or whatever you want it to be. You can reposition it using the X and Y axis right here. And then once you're happy, all you simply to do is play this, and as you'll notice, the audio visualizer will move with your voice and whatever audio you are using. So this is a quick tutorial on how you can create an audio visualizer for things like podcasts directly inside Filmora. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a audio visualizer. Super simple, super easy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If this video did help you out, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.